Hi there, it's Karen again at Corrie Paper Crafts, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in central Scotland. Apologies, I didn't come back with another video for the second release of the A Bration products, so I'm going to show you those very quickly now. And then just on my phone, I'm going to show you the third release that has just come about this past week. We're now into the last 3 or 4 days of A Bration, so it does end fairly soon. So if you've not seen any of these products kind of close up, then I'm going to give you a quick look at those now. And we've got a little fly that's decided to join us as well, so if you see me wafting my hands around, that's why. So to take you through the book and the products one at a time, in the second release we've got the Flowering Falls Specialty DSP Designer Series paper, and this is it here. It's got silver and it's like rose gold and copper foiling on it. It's single-sided, which isn't normally how we have our designer series papers, but this is a specialty special release one. So there are 4 designs with 3 sheets of each in this pack, and this is free with a £45 spend. So I'm just letting you see these very quickly. This is pretty as well with the silver. I think this one is my absolute favourite, and I think this one is next. I'm not sure if that's rose gold or kind of copper. It looks more rose gold to me, and I didn't deliberately do my nails specifically to match either. I'm missing Chelsea, who is the lovely lady who does my nails, because we're currently on lockdown, so I had to do my own nails, which made me break out in a sweat. But I've just realised they match the paper, and that wasn't intentional in any way. So if you're watching, Chelsea, hiya, I hope you're well. I know you've not been very well recently and you were in hospital, so big hugs to you. On the next page we've got the Rise and Shine stamp set. This is a free product with a £90 spend, but it's a big stamp set and it does actually have 15 different stamps in it. It's a photopolymer stamp set rather, so you've got the clear stamps here, and these are reversible stamps as well, which is something new and really quite exciting. So I do have a project coming up very shortly using these within the next couple of days, and actually I've got a product using the papers as well, so I'll pop them just over to the side. Moving on, you've got the Well Dressed stamp set too, which is this one here. Now it's a cling stamp set, so that's the red rubber, with a more sort of masculine theme. I wasn't sure about that when I first saw it, but it has grown on me because I've seen a lot of people making quite a few things with it, and I really do like it, so I'm going to have a go. Trisha Smith, if you're watching, sit down before I say this next bit if you aren't already, but I'm going to have a go at making a card with this. Those in the stamping world that know me know that I'm not a card maker. The thought of making a card makes me break out in a sweat because I don't think I'm very good at it. I would much rather be making a 3D project, so watch this space. And then on the next page we have the So Very Vellum Specialty Designer Series paper, which is just lovely, and this is a pack of, I think, 6 sheets. Is it 1, 2, 3, no, 8, is it? Yes, it is 6. I'm getting my colours mixed up. Oh Karen, honestly, I knew it was 6. So we have, I think, Pool Party, Soft Sea Foam and Purple Posy, and it is really quite opaque. If I move these out of the way and just let you see the one sheet, you can probably see that white card shining through, but it's embossed. I don't know if you can see that with the light, but it's embossed with all these little dots. So pretty, and I've got an idea in mind for something over the next few days to make with that as well. And as I've said in previous videos, I'm just trying to do a few videos over the next few days to cheer us all up a little bit, and especially since we're all sort of confined to home at the moment. And then we have the Tags in Bloom stamp set as well, which is this one here. It's another photopolymer stamp set, and it's actually got 19 separate stamps in it, and that is a free product with a £90 spend. So if I can angle it away from the light a little bit and let you see those, really pretty. Again, I've seen a lot of projects being made with these stamps, and I've got a few ideas in mind as well, and I actually have an idea to combine these two if I can, so hopefully that'll all be within the next couple of days. And then if I move all of this out of the way and grab my phone and bring up the page that has, here we go, has the new items that have just been added, and hopefully I'm just going to stand up to make sure that you can see my phone. So if I kind of keep it here, the Dino Roar Designer Series paper, the third phase of the celebration products is actually a release of products, a selection of products from our regular annual catalogue at the moment. So the Dino Roar Designer Series paper is really quite cute, with kids in mind. It's not a paper that I have, but there's no real reason for that. And then we have the Stampin' Up little boxes here. Now I do have those, but they're not to hand. Just checking that you can still see those because I keep moving my phone around. So those are, sorry, those are with a £45 spend, as is the paper. And then let me see, here we go. The shimmer detailed laser cut paper, I don't have that, so I wouldn't be able to let you see it anyway, but the detail in that is really quite exquisite, and I'm thinking I need that now because it's so pretty. And then where's, I thought there was another, yep, another product for a £45 spend, and it's the Woven Threads DSP, and again it's not one that I have, but hopefully you can get an idea of the detail in those. And I think that's all of the extra ones for a £45 spend. But then if we go to those that are free with a £90 spend, they have actually added in a couple more products, the Butterfly Duet Punch being one of them, and that is a very popular product. It's really pretty. I do have that. I actually won that in a bundle from my team leader Sam, who is Pootles, for, I can't remember now, for posting something in our team group. So I got the punch and the stamp set together as a bundle, and it's just lovely. And the Wild Rose dies is the other one that's been added for £90 spend. I don't have those. I'm not a particularly flowery person, so I tend to shy away from these kinds of things, but not everybody likes everything. It's not that I don't like them, they're absolutely beautiful and beautifully made, and the detail in the dies and the stamps is gorgeous, but it's just not my thing. I'm not a particularly flowery person. So that's all of our celebration products for release 1, 2 and 3. We only have a few days left, so if you're looking to get something, I'm filming this on Saturday the 28th. You might see it on later today, or you might see it tomorrow, Sunday the 29th, and at the time of filming all of these products were still available, so if you are putting in an order to get some freebies, then I would do it quickly because it will all start to disappear within the last few days. I'll be back soon with another video, but until then, take care, bye bye.